Apple announced the iPhone will soon support RCS, which will improve texting quality with Android phones. They also said hiking trail routes will start being included in Apple Maps. NTD's Jason Blair has more.
Apple made the announcements at this week's Worldwide Developers Conference, saying that the new features will be available with iOS 18. Currently, when iPhone and Android users text each other, iPhones revert to SMS. This makes the quality of the experience drop for both users, such as lower quality photos and videos and reduced encryption. RCS would replace SMS, and the experience would be similar to iMessage.
Some of the things that you can expect to see with RCS are longer text messages. You can have up to 8,000 characters when you send text messages with RCS. Also, you've got read receipts, which is important in a world where people are moving away from email and moving more for text messages.
Apple has been pressured for years to support RCS, but held out until an announcement in November saying it will be added in the coming year, and then solidifying that announcement on Monday.
So I think it's a great thing because everyone doesn't use the same piece of technology, which Apple would like, but embracing a digital world where we have interconnected devices is definitely the way to go.
Apple also announced that Apple Maps will start including hiking routes with voice-guided directions. Apple software head Greg Federighi said on Monday that with the update, quote, Maps delivers new topographical maps with detailed trail networks and hiking routes, including all 63 U.S. national parks that can be saved to your phone and accessed offline. Users will also be able to make and save their own custom trails, and all of these features are similar to what popular hiking app AllTrails offers with a paid subscription of $35.99 a month. Jason Blair, NTD News.